I got a new toy named Peanuts and Sawyer Wrap. And let's get open it. And let's fix the refrigerator. Voila! Okay, and let's fix that. Okay, I'm done now. And let's put some kind of Play-Doh foods in here. And yeah. So here it is. And Barbie wants to eat. Wait, Barbie. Do you want the ice cream? Okay. The blue stick. There's a smoothie, ice cream sundae. Oh. It's hard. The smoothie. You want with ice. There's ice cream. And that's all for the day, guys. Bye-bye.